All right, I think. I think everything's fine. I really don't know. Cool. Ooh, there we go. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Hello, chat. I gotta shift everything around as usual. Hi, Rising. I'm not in my Discord. There we go. My Discord is now in streamer mode. Very cool. All right. Hello, chat. Ah, I have some cool things. Well, there's some things. His wife going to Jack. So true. Okay, hold on, chat. Yeah, I can. I want to do this without spoiling. I want to just capture. Oh no! Like, okay, I can't capture OBS window itself. That makes sense. Um, I think that's yes. Okay. Do you guys? Sorry, I'm hiding for a second. Do you see? You see right here your messages rising. Why is your name? This is a thing I've noticed recently. Your name in the first message is a darker shade of green than in the second message. I'm not crazy, right? We both see it. Why is this a thing? And it's for every chatter. I don't know why. So if I get another chatter and they say a thing, then their first thing that they say will be a different color than their first message will be a different color than their second one. And I don't understand. I don't know why. I just realized I have all of my beverages out. Um, that's not lore accurate. There we go. There we go. All right, chat. How we doing? Ginger ale. What does it do? Good question. Send a second message as pink. I don't think it'll change. Yeah, the first one is still green. And display capture. That one. Right? Right? So it's still. That's weird. I don't get it. I don't get how that works. I don't know why it does it that way. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Twitch chat is fucking weird, man. All right, let me open my IntelliJ. We can do our weekly modding stream. It'll be good. Hang on. Yeah. All right. Also, hang on. First of all, there are a couple of things. You may notice there are some new redeems. They're not new. I guess they've been added back. I got tits working again, finally. I spent like all day yesterday pretty much doing it. So there's the usual ones. There's some of them have disappeared, some of the shitty ones. But there's first, as usual, there is unlock a random sub emote for this stream. Or maybe just for that time. There's a send a message in sub only mode, which we never do. There's choose an emote to unlock. And then there are 4 throwable redeems that are here now. Yeah. So yeah, those will be sticking around. Hopefully, I hope. And there's also, if I had any bits, I would send myself bits. But there is also my eye open parameters. You know, the same shit that Blue Cat has for when you send bits, pretty much anyway. When my eye open? I don't know. Okay. Let's just close VTube Studio. That would be not ideal. So, the other thing that I spent all yesterday doing is I have to remember I can't click shit in OBS anymore. I need to, first of all, I gotta just make sure this is still correct. It is. The biggest button still works. So, watch this. Wow. I have a transition now. Look at that. And go, what? And back over here. Wow. Well, my ginger ale got a little bigger, didn't it? There we go. Put that like right there. Ah. So yeah. That's all that's new for now. There may be more in the future. It's very cool. I'm gonna be honest, dude. Can I tell you guys something? Something that I think nobody has the balls to say. Prices on VGen are fucking insane. Like most of them are fucking deranged. So this little transition is based on one that somebody was selling on VGen. It's like this. It's the same thing. Just goes from like right to left or something basically, and it's like your character here, and you get like a little. You like put like an emote or whatever in the wheel. They're charging $20 for that, which is like crazy to me, because this took me all of like half an hour, and then like it's just crazy. I don't get it. I mean, I guess I would, if I could, you know, and it's not like they haven't like sold any. They've sold like several. Like if I could make a bunch of money by selling things that require minimal effort, I guess I would too. But like, oh my god, it's just crazy. Like, dude, I don't get it. But anyway, I forget what we did. Hang on, I have a note. That's what. Oh right, okay. So that's wow. Yeah, yeah, that needs some help. I have some ideas about this. The chest plate, I do. because it looks pretty bad. Maybe it just looks bad in isolation. I really don't know, but definitely the back needs to change. But yeah, I need to translate some things. Yeah, I need to see what do we have? We need to translate a lot. Um, what needs translating? Yeah, that. Uh, hmm. These need renames. These need translations. These are fine. That needs that needs that needs that needs. This needs this needs this needs this needs this needs. All of this shit needs translation. Fortunately, I think most of these I can just generate. This one. Yeah. Um, this one I will. I don't know that I have to do, but I'll do both of these manually to rename those. All right. I don't really have a plan for today. I haven't. All I have on the list is Tier 3 Circuit, which may or may not even happen. Um, so we'll see about that. Where is not very good about the streamer mode. Hang on. Streamer mode. Turn it on. Yeah, there we go. But I need this. I just need everything. Um, and these two, I have to take these out. Uh, these are fine. And I guess, yeah, just everything that is... Like, it's a lot. I could automate this better, but I don't really feel like... I don't really feel like doing that today. Deep tin. This is our first order of business for today. Items. And then, well, this is our first order of business. And then we will grab, I think we'll probably start on a machine, which kind of scares me. All right, I'll do the dusts, I guess right now. Bronze, copper, gold. Iron. Bronze, copper, gold, iron, tin, and... Oh, there we go. Welcome back. Grab these. Nope, I already did that one. And then what else is there? So that's, hang on, so that's all of these. This, 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 that. Okay, so it's these left. Can I just make this like a little... so I can like just so I can see. Go away for right now. There we go. So that's these two. I need this, I think, is what that is. And the other circuit items. We're gonna add for the creative battery gets one, and then we are going to add the rest of these manually, I think. We're going to add for the this one. Is that right? Oh, do I have to stop? Do I have to get this? Yes. Okay. Is that wrong? What's wrong with this? Oh, wrong method. Hee. The jetpack is fine. Jetpack is fine. I need the mixed ingot. And then we gotta fix these ones to have less stupid names. Okay, and I think that's everything out of all of these. So we give this a run. I have to restart the game because I'm a fool. I think that's everything. Cool. And then I have to stop you, and I have to rerun you in the correct mode. Teehee. It's fine. I might open a window in my room as well. It's already kind of open a little bit, but it's a little warm. Just a little bit. All right, see if that worked. What the fuck was that? I saw a bunch of red. Oh, tags. Okay. Hopefully that everything is now translated. Code, advanced battery, energy crystal. Wow. Yep. Those. There's this. Yep, battery. Wow. Copper, gold, tin, bronze. I forgot that one. Shit. Oopsie. That is okay. Should be fine. I think. I can do this. I think. Yes. Tin, 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 bronze block, tin block. Wow. Pleased. Very pleased. Okay. I'll work these out at some point later. Yeah. Okay. I think that's fine. This definitely needs a better recipe, but definitely, man, even though I don't like the texture that much, I'm pleased with how that it fills up. I need like one of these. And the way it drains, so good. And then this thing as well, I'm also just a fan of. That took way too long, those colors. Took way too long to get right. Way too long. Not a huge fan of that. I think that's alright. It's a little derivative. But that's also questionable, but I feel like it's fine. Alright, doesn't work in creative mode. See, wow. Let's not charge it when it's... Huh, maybe it drains faster than it can charge. That's interesting. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I really think our next order of business is probably the first machine, which scares me a lot. That's definitely getting out of my depth, I think. And is this not this works though, right? Yeah. This has yeah, this is interesting. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I think it's time for the first machine. Which will probably be a generator. I think. Let me open my window. Oh, yeah. It's not terribly sunny out or anything either, so. Okay. So, first machine, huh? I feel like there's what's the word? Like some boilerplate here. God, fuck, why doesn't Aseprite show up in my thing? I think I want to make the texture first. Just kind of as a rule, right? Um, not as like a rule, but just to kind of, I don't know. I don't want to go off the deep end just yet. Oh, there's a few things. So generator, right? It burns coal. It's gonna look. Thanks, Fedor. Just glad that works. It's gonna look vaguely like this. You know, it burns coal. It's basically a furnace. Of course, as soon as I open my window, there's a bunch of noisy ass cars driving by. That's just phenomenal. It's gonna look vaguely like that. It's like basically an iron block with like a furnace on it, kind of deal. So try the new browser. Ooh, ooh, look at this. Ooh, ooh, wow, 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 wee, wow. Wow, wow. Okay, I don't like this very much, but wow, isn't this fancy? This is where I grab my vanilla textures from. Download file. Wow. Wow, wow, wee, wow. That's just nice. All right. So first thing, get over there. You. That's not really what I wanted, but the hell? Are you in indexed mode? No. Can I just do this? Can I just copy? Can you be normal? Thank you. Fuck me. Okay. First of all, we could just, yeah, I guess we need 3 different textures. No. Top, bottom, sides, front. So that's 4. 4 different textures. Because 3 sides will be the same, of course. Let me turn off my little yellow filter as much as it... Ah, my eyes. I don't know, maybe we do... I feel like I probably maybe want to tint this. Tint this like a teeny bit in the same direction as tin. Tint it even. Like gives it like a slightly more industrial kind of look. That's maybe a bit much, but like a very it's maybe a bit much. Right around like there, I think. That seems good. What is is it semicolon or apostrophe? I can't fucking. Comma? What is the key for this? Control Shift apostrophe. Control Shift apostrophe. What the hell? That's an apostrophe. Am I insane? Can I just not see it? Oh yeah, I guess I just can't see it. Wow, okay. But yeah, I think I'm okay. I'm okay with that. It's maybe a little blue. This, make it like a little bit lighter. Okay, let's go with, okay. It's a start. And then we can do like these kinds of adjustments. Of course, that's not gonna matter, but we'll go with this for right now. This is our textures block generator top. And then I'm just going to do a new... I kind of want to do this non-destructively if I can. So we take this and we grab this and we just hit him with the... This will be the bottom, and this will be also like the kind of bottom half. And I want to grab furnace front. Let me stick that in there. New, copy, new layer. And I just want the whole bits. Wow, is that really what a furnace looks like? That looks kind of bad. Okay, and then for this, I want to, I think, duplicate you, hide you, and then I want this half to not be dark. I think. And then I'm going to take this layer, I'm going to duplicate it, and then I'm going to take, I just want this bit from here to bring it down, I think, right to there. Like that. Yeah, whatever. It works for right now. Yeah, this needs a little bit of. So this is a it's just that it's a working texture. That needs to be less, but whatever. We fix this at a later time. It's going to be generator front, and then this is going to be generator side. So, yeah, we're not going to worry about giving it a, like, on texture for right now. Okay. I think we want, like a, we want to separate our machines, right? We want to have ones that consume power and ones that provide power. So I think we probably give this like in base entity block, I think. Yes. Maybe not make you abstract for right now. Yeah, whatever, sure. You do need to tick. Do we need to worry about these? Do we need to worry about this yet? I don't know. Maybe. I'm not. What is like a... Because it's basically a furnace, right? It's just a furnace that doesn't cook anything. Okay, got it. Okay, that's fine. Cool. You know what? Yeah, I guess yeah, this should be abstract. And then, because we don't need these. So we need to, I guess a few things, right? We need, sorry, flashbang. Jesus Christ. So we need, how much energy it makes, how much energy it holds, how much energy it can, like, send, right? So even if it makes, like, let's say it only makes like 20 energy per tick or whatever, right? But it can build up a buffer. Do we want it to? I guess this shit. This is where we're kind of defining our fucking tiers, isn't it? Yikes. This is kind of foundational. Okay, hang on. Uh, yeah, I think. What is the, like, pattern for this? You this, and then you have implements tier. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, okay, we can do that. I think that's a reasonable programming pattern, I think. Right? So you want to have I guess these are all going to be tied to the tier, really. Some of these, hang on. Okay. Some information should be tied to the machine, and some should be tied to the, like, tier machine, like the voltage tier. So per machine should be how much it generates or consumes per tick, right? And then Uh, yeah, okay. And then you want, like, the rate of extraction should be per tier. Right? So, like, a low voltage tier can only do, like, 32 energy tick or something, right? In or out. But a machine, like a generator, yeah, okay. So, yeah, okay. So, let's say you have, like, a crusher, like a crushing machine or whatever, or like an electric furnace. How about that? Let's say that it's a low voltage machine. It uses 32 energy per tick to, like, cook a thing, right? So that's, I mean, shit, how much would that be? Let me not use 200 times 3,600. Okay, that's fine. Like one piece coal. Nah, that's kind of bad. Anyway, I digress. So let's say you can upgrade it to make it faster, but it'll also use more energy. And because it's only low voltage and it takes in 32, right? If it starts using more than 32, you need to upgrade it to a higher voltage, I guess. That seems like, I think, fine, maybe. Uh, and then yeah, so per machine is how much it can hold, how much energy it can hold, how much it makes or consumes. That's gonna be different for every machine. But per tier should be the maximum, just in and out, right? And then so you can have something like, say you hook up, uh, like let's say you have a now that I think about it, yeah, that's kind of shitty, isn't it? So, like, thinking about it, right? Let's say you have like a low voltage machine and you want to hook it up to a high voltage power supply, right? Naturally, the machine should, like, explode if you do that, right? Uh, Unless you, like, upgrade it to handle more energy, right? So, but here's the thing. I guess it should be per machine. Well, I don't know. Let's say, like, a basic coal generator is always gonna be, like, low voltage no matter what you do, right? Um, that's very interesting. Yeah, that's gonna be tricky because I guess kind of the idea that I would like, right, is like, let's say you have, like, your copper cables and they can only handle so much energy before they, like, catch on fire, right? So you can have your let's say you have, like, instead of one generator on, like, a low voltage cable, let's say you have like eight generators on, like, a high voltage cable. If you try to connect eight generators to a low voltage cable, the cable should, like, catch on fire because you're putting too much energy into it, right? So you need the higher tier cable. But then that higher tier cable is carrying more energy. Yeah, I guess this should also be per machine then, right? And cables should have one too. Cables should have their own, like, maximum rates or whatever, right? In order to facilitate the catching on fire. If you try to put high voltage through a low voltage cable, it should catch fire. Interesting. Yeah, I guess maybe we don't do this. I guess maybe we just don't. There is no. I'll keep that there because I'm going to use that package later. Yeah, I feel like we need to we need like a public int get max output rate. Yeah. So that'll need to return a thing. So yeah, and so that'll be like how much you can take out. Public abstract int get max energy stored, right? And then is there a thing? Oh yeah. Public abstract int get generation rate. Because you might have a machine that like let's say a generator is a low voltage machine, right? So you can hook it up to a low voltage cable and it can put out 32 per tick, right? But maybe it only makes 20. So in order to get the full 32, you have to like let the generator's buffer fill up. And then we need to get current energy stored. And I think so. I think that seems fine. Like, what else do you really need? Generation rate, the amount it stores, the amount it is currently holding. Max output. I think that's like fine. I need to check the about energy capabilities. Goat noise, so true. I need the like energy storage. High energy storage imposes interface for handling. So what do I like? I still don't really understand capabilities at all. Thank you for the goss. So true. Seal slap that MP3. So I need like. Yeah. So we need to. So true. You should try the fish. Smile. Smile. I love the fish. They're so stupid. Counter-Strike fish, my beloved. Hi, Cuomo. Hello. So true. I love the fish. I love the fish. They all work good. I'm a little annoyed that they all come in from like over here, no matter what I do. But I think that's just because of where I am on the screen. Nothing I can like do about it. How the fuck does this work? I need like yeah, I wish I would love if they did too, but I can't like do that. The only thing I can do uh here, look at this. This one's really fucking dumb. I don't like it. They have like a weird arc to them. I don't. No, I'm not a fan. I don't like how it works. Anyway, it just doesn't look as good. It's not as like malicious, you know. Okay, so I energy storage. So this thing, yeah, where are you? Okay, use it there. Yes, I think we just need to have the capability on this. I think. I don't fucking know, dude. I'm kind of going in on the deep end here. So we do this, and then we implement all of these, and it does need to tick. What's your deal, constructor? Hee. So this is, you know what? Maybe we do just have, uh, uh, like, yeah, we just do have energy tiers, right? Yeah, I think we do have this. I need to look up how enums work because I don't ever remember how to make them work. I need to give it like I need to give it like some values, right? Right. So we do uh so we have a private int what are the four things? Those things. So uh, consumption rate, that's a good one. And then uh and we need sorry, max extract. Sorry, there. How about that? Okay. Can you let me have use voltage. Wait, how do you wait, what? I don't how do you add I don't I don't know how these work. See these? Yeah. Uh, is that how these work? I really don't fucking know. I think that's definitely right. Turn. Uh I don't know. I don't remember. I hate this language. I don't know how it works. I guess I need to give it a constructor. Uh right? Yeah. So then do these oh maybe these don't get this? I don't know, man. I don't remember. This needs a int. We need all of these. Stop. Extract. Insert max. Why are you mad? Is updated but never accessed. So then we have a uh We have 32, 32, 64,000, 32, 32. I don't, what do you mean? I don't get it. Wow, hi Chili. I don't fucking remember how this works. Wow, hi Chili. Do these just have to be, does these have to be first? Yes, they do. Okay, I didn't know that. And this is gonna be, hi Chili. Meow. Uh, uh, hi cat, please don't step in front of my camera or screen. Hi Chili. Hello. Hi buddy, there's a cat in front of me, I can't see what I'm doing. Uh, that money. Hi Chili. And then I need an extreme voltage. And this will be like 2 billion. 2.5, 256 million, maybe. Hello, cat. Hi, buddy. What is your problem? I just want to get right here, generate getter for all of these. Cool. Got a cat in my life. He's spinning in a circle for this tier. Go. Is that good? Seems fine. Non-final. These, oh yeah, they can all be final. Cool. This is this is kind of just to make this a little bit easier, I hope. So I'm gonna get the max output rate. We grab the energy tiers, low voltage, and this is the extract. And this is going to be production rate. Get max energy stored. And this is gonna be a thing, I think. So we have to grab the I need to like get the I don't know. Maybe this shouldn't even been these probably shouldn't even be in the block, should it? 'Cause it should be in the block entity. Oh man. Hi Chili. Hi buddy. Got a cat. Okay. Block entity. I just block. Like just this, right? Like what are you? Yeah, like a furnace. Yeah. Okay. I think. I really don't I don't know, man. Let's see what we have. Okay, bye, Chili. Oh, oh my God. Bye-bye. I don't even like... I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Let me... Maybe... I really don't know what I'm doing. Like, these are all fine. It's protected. Do I... Like a ticking? Waste container. Menu. Yeah, okay. I guess technically it is a container, but... Should it be a container? Like a... I guess so. Furnaces. This is a pretty similar thing. Yeah. Okay. Alright, we'll just do for now. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, and then this has two, it should have two slots. Two slots. We need a non-null list item stack. I guess we just have like a... This is the like... And then we have the... So you want to, because you want to put like fuel, like coal in one slot, and you can put like a battery at the top and it'll charge your battery. Right? And then you want the... Like that. So that'll be... okay. I don't know. Oh, and I have to create the menu, huh? Oh boy. Where do we have like the ticking? It's very like tick server tick. Okay. Okay. Jesus Christ. What am I like about to fucking get myself into here? Yeah, we need a menu. We need the generator menu. It's like, is this client only? No. Jesus. The window, open window, the wind that makes my, makes my door go, crack or whatever. And yeah, I think, yeah, I think I just want this to extend, abstract container menu. I guess. I don't know, dude. I really don't fucking know. Because it's not like a recipe, right? How do I deal with the ticking? Basically, the doing paint diagrams again, right? The way that this needs to be, right? You have your generator. Fuck, I'm thinking. You have your generator. You put coal in the bottom, and it burns, and it makes energy. So, I guess what we need to do every tick is we need to say like a data map for this. Like, no, I just use furnace fuels. We use a furnace fuels data map. So we need to be checking the bottom slot right? The fuel slot. And if it's a fuel, then you consume it, and then you start generating. I guess this I need like a uh you need like a, this makes it long, like uh so every like tick. Does this have a tick? Oh, it's a static. What calls this? Abstract furnace block. Mmm. Okay. What is create ticker helper? I see. I see. Huh. Okay. I can probably manage that. Put this over here so I can look at it. So the ticker comes from this. So we do a basically this same deal, right? And then we get, what is server type? Level? Interesting. Where did, okay, what calls get furnace ticker? Hang on. This. I see. Get ticker. Oh. Oh. Uh, so we do, what the fuck? I'm so, hang on. Where'd my furnace block go? For me to look at. Is it right there? Okay. So you do block level, blocking type, and then level, block entity type. Wait, what? Wait. Furnace? Where did it fucking go again? There. So you call this. Where are you? Oh, that's in the abstract. It's in the abstract. This server type. Okay. So we have the, and then we're just gonna have another. Okay. Okay. Like this. What the hell? Yes. Okay. And then server tick is a static? It is. I guess that makes sense. And it's devoid? Yeah. And then, right? Okay. Yes, I think. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I kind of do. I have like a vague, I just don't know how to write it, you know? You know what I mean? Who's emailing me? Ah, okay. Um, so we need to get the fuel slot, right? Where is this flag used here? What? Okay, I'm gonna ignore that. So we do, we do the item. Yeah, I guess, okay, hang on. Yeah, that does make sense. Is, uh, of item stack dot empty, right? Turn items. You may not be final. Can I set a size of this? With size 2. There we go. Okay. So we do this. So we do again protected final int fuel slot ID int charge slot ID is 1. So we do how do I where do I get that from? There's there's a data map somewhere of all the fuels. Is it in the block entity? It is. I don't know how to I don't know how to get those. We need to, oh my god. Get item in ID. Yeah. Right? Yes. Yes. Ugh. Okay, hang on, chat. I gotta be right back, real quick. Okay? Be right back. Hi. Sorry about that. I am almost back. Not quite. Me. Why is it returning me to my normal position? I don't understand that. I lost tracking, so it should like send me back to the middle. I think. Hang on. Ah, yeah. I don't know why it does that. Like it's supposed to put me back in the middle when I lose tracking. At least that's what it's like set up to do. So, not so sure. Okay. I am now actually back. Um, yeah, I'm now actually back. Where do I put that away? I'm, however, going to take some Tums. My tummy kind of hurt. That's okay. Possibly worst packaging ever created. Blister packs, my behated. Okay, so where were we? That's right, fuel item, yes. Okay, so this is the tick, right? So if furnace block entity is fuel, or and this what has been replaced by. Oh, get burn time. Okay, that works. Equals fuel item dot get burn time in a, I don't know, recipe type dot smelting, right? It's fine. What happens if it's not a fuel? I assume 0. If it is 0, okay. So if it's not 0, then we shrink it by 1, and then we block entity. I need to get like a private void to generate this energy to generate plus cool to generate burn time times 10. Fine. Right? And then burn time is not 0, and long get energy to generate this is less than or equal to 0. right? Yeah, so, and if it's not already burning something, it's basically, then we can consume this. And then, I guess we want to get, like, we want to get the, like, energy handler capability, right? I think. Yeah. How do I... Yeah, so we do dot get. How do I... Oh, we do blocking where the block state is known, they can be used to level dot get capability. We do, what is it called? Capabilities dot energy storage dot block. Get the position, the state, block entity. What is the context? What is context? Yeah, what's context? C. Use this over the block. Block entity is known. Shorter. What's the context? What? What's the context? What does that mean? Block state and get capability. What? Direction. What? What? Uh, what is the context? What does that even mean? Uh, what? I didn't have to do this for a... Oh, it's in this? Yeah. What? Yeah, okay. This. Huh? I don't know how the fuck this works, dude. Look at... Let me go look at some other mod. Uh, what, dude? They're like a generator, coal generator. That's true. It is a directional block. Um, what? The tile entity. This. I don't get it. I actually have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Like, you are, what? Because I thought I don't have... Yeah, you don't... What? So we do... Hang on. So we do my energy storage is... What? We do this one, I guess. What? I don't... Huh? I don't... I do not fucking get it. What do you mean? Required type... What? What? I don't get it. T's dot energy storage dot block. How do I... Don't have to go... I'm gonna have to go diving again. Uh... Capabilities. Capabilities. Energy storage. Dot. Here's what we're looking at. What? I need to give it a facing direction? Okay. I don't understand it. Okay. I am now confused as fuck. And then we want to give this receive energy of block entity dot get no get max energy get production rate and then not simulate. And the storage, yeah, because the storage, yeah. So we have to go over here and we do event.register block entity. What else do you want? Of course, I don't have the type. I need to create the type. What the oh, brother. Can we just have a real quick? Can we have a deferred register? Is that what is this? Maybe. Yes. Okay, hang on. Block entity type block entity types equals dot create built-in block entity type mod ID except deferred holder block entity type maybe inner block entity. Dude, I feel like I'm like 2 Benadryls deep right now. I cannot lie. Equals types dot register generator. This is you're just a supplier. Block and new block entity type. New. And then I need to add, can I just like type what? I don't get it. Oh my god, I really do feel like I'm like several Benadryls deep. Hang on. I think there was a video released about this the other day. Message block. Yes. Okay, it was about a month ago. That is okay. This is the video. Oh wow, it even uses energy. Oh, it's even a generator. That's amazing. Okay. Like, what am I fucking doing? So, yeah. How do I... Oh my god, I don't know what I'm fucking doing. Hold on, I have to, like, skim this quickly, because I just don't know how to register these. I need the... Ah, there. Register, yep. Supplier. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Supplier type of generator block entity. Generator entity types dot register. That's the name of it. And then we do type dot builder dot of generator block entity new. Oh, and then I need to dot build null. That something this doesn't seem right. Why are you mad? Oh, I need to add the type witness. Is that true? No. Huh? What? Yeah. It's the where? Huh? I'm so like, it's just, I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Okay, hang on, this might be the problem. Type, you know the type. Uh, generator B, yes, and yes. Okay, there we go. Fucking A. Okay, that's now there. That's been registered. And then, oh man, okay. Now I gotta figure out how this all works. So I need to give this a capability. That's in here. Uh, generator B. And what is the last thing that this wants? The provider, which is a functional interface, which I assume. Yeah. So that takes the CT. This takes the context. And then we have is that right? We do a do I know? Turn the new I energy storage. I guess. I don't fucking get it. Holy shit. How does this work again? I need to like that seems chill. I need to implement my own storage thing. Hang on. New my energy storage. Uh dot. You shouldn't even you should just not you can't receive energy. Be uh okay, man. The fuck. And then this what are you mad about? Just there? Yes, and then after this you want the right? No? Okay. I don't know what I'm fucking doing. Man, let's go. Let's add that. Let's add the generator block at least. Generator. Generator. New generator block. And then you want Why are you protected? Fucking, there you go. Block behavior dot of full copy blocks dot furnace. No. Like a, I don't fucking know. Have it nothing, I guess. There's no way this runs. No. Thank you. Type AE. They both extend, yeah. I don't get it. I don't get it. I literally have no idea what I'm fucking doing today. I don't. This is where shit goes bad. Because I literally have never done this. Like. Yeah. Here we chat. You're gonna look at this with me, okay? Does this one, does it tick? I don't think so, right? No, it doesn't seem like it does. That's just in the block. I gotta hang on. Yeah, okay. Uh yeah, this it doesn't tick. I don't think. Dude. Yeah, I don't. Here's what I'm. This is the tutorial guy, right? This doesn't. His thingy, no, doesn't tick, so that's not super useful. It's not very useful to me. Why are you fuck? Why is this one mad? We go to like a get ticker. Turn create. Hey JSG, you're here to suffer with me. Well, I realize I am woefully inept. Let's hold on to this, right? They just do this. I think. So I don't know what I'm doing. Nothing's like screwed up, it just doesn't work. Well, I mean, I can't. I'm not like I don't know how to write it. um we do generator. Is that fine? Yes. That's fine. Okay. Give it a. I have no idea. I just realized I am a moron. I still have it set to attach to bronze. I think. Uh, maybe. Oh no. No. Okay. Maybe. Okay, let's give it a try. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know how this works. So I didn't register it. Uh oh. Yeah, that helps. Do I need to add? I do. Block dot register. I need to do that, I think. I got no idea, man. I really don't know. As long as it doesn't like crash. Okay. I'm gonna create a new one for this. Because I don't have it as a item. Okay. Any like heinous errors? Okay, hang on. Data there. It is not a block entity. Okay, wait, what? Wait, what? Why? Wait, why? Oh, new generator block entity. That. And we're gonna grab a final codec. Codec. Generator block new. Uh, is it a map codec? Yes. There. Um, I genuinely just don't. I don't fucking know. Um, can we just? Can I just make this like spam the log for now? Maybe. I don't know, dude. I don't know what I'm doing. If the log starts getting spammed up, then that means I'm onto something. Okay, let's have a look. I saw something. Maybe I need to. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'm onto something. Uh, okay. And so that stores energy. I guess I need to make it have a menu, right? Like, fucking a model would be good too. Model would be really good. How do I do that? What's the problem here? Uh, how do I turn this? I want a furnace block entity as a thing. It's an abstract one. Where is the thing that tells it how to render? Uh, uh, there's a thing for this, right? Uh, I have to in this one turn render shape model, I think. And then I need to give this the facing east, northeast, southwest. How do I do that? Private static final property facing horizontal directional block dot facing. And a Boolean property dot lit, and then registered default state this dot state definition dot any dot set value facing direction north dot set value lit boolean dot value of neat. And then I gotta take this as well, right? Is there anything else? I don't think so. Oh, I gotta add all of these. I think, yeah. Okay. And then see if I can figure out how to generate this. Horizontal base block. Blocks dot generator. How do I do this again? I gotta, hold on, let me go over to this one where I did the same thing. Models dot, okay, yeah, it's not an existing model, but I basically just want to like take the furnace one, right? How do I generate a horizontal facing block? Models dot like cube bottom top guess what I should be looking at is furnace. How do they dispenser block? Oh. Oh. Yeah, that tracks though. Create furnace textured model dot orientable only top. orientable. Yeah, okay, buddy. What does this do? Can I just can I just can I just yoink this for right now? Can I just yoink this for a minute? No, I don't fucking know. I don't know how this works, dude. Can we just do a models dot yeah, orientable with what's the difference here? Front side. Oh, hang on. What does this say? Front side, front, bottom, top. Yes. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. So we do side, front, bottom, top. Generator side, side, front, bottom, top. Oh, I need a orientable with bottom. Okay. Just do a little bit of checking. Orientable with bottom. Oh yeah. All right. Block slash interesting. I see. That's the wrong thing to grab. Oops. Block. Is that might work? Oh. There. Please work. I don't really know what I'm doing. Kind of stump. Oh, no. Uh, cannot get property face. Eh? What is this? Oh. Oh. Try that one. I guess that's if it like goes on the ceiling, like a lever or something. No. Missing loot table. Why is that? Why do you care? What? Ugh. Get. How about that? That fine? That seems okay. No red. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, facing north. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Uh, can I get like a no? Okay. But hang on. That's yeah, man. That's actually about what I expected it to look like. Could be a lot worse. It's still temporary, I think. Okay. Of course, I have no way to verify if it works or not. Uh, yeah, I have. Can I get? What if I can I hopper something into it? Yeah. Okay, and is it just gone? I think so. Yeah. Okay, they just went. Okay. I think next I need to like make the UI really, right? Uh, UI container furnace. Okay. I think that's yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna say you guys don't exist. Okay. This is I gotta put this in the GUI container generator spell. Okay. Working tentative. It's temporary. Okay, and now we need like a we need this, I guess. What do you mean? What? I mean, it does? Oh, it does. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Hi, Gussie Poo. No, yeah, no one ever redeems first. Kind of cringe of them. Okay. Ah. Hi, Gus. Yo, Kesha. Hi, Gus. Hello. Uh, I guess you're pelt. Yeah. Smile. Okay, hang on. So we need a private, private final container. Yeah. Private final container data. And then we do, it's just a menu and the ID. And we know what the type is always. New simple container 2. Right? Why does ooh, why does it have a 4, I wonder? No. Yeah, so we need this, and we need when we menu 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 new generator menu right? No. What inventory? What inventory? I don't know. But yeah, that's. Oh, I have to register the menu type. Uh, all right, man. Static deferred menu type. Menu types. Yeah, it's a lot of words. Menu. I think. I don't fucking know what I'm doing, bro. That's been a theme today, is I don't know what the hell is going on. Static file. Menu type. Generator menu. Menu. Okay. Oh, hey, why are you... What? Oh, because that's a period, not a comma. Teehee. Types dot register. Do you have a builder? No. Menu type. Generator menu, I see. Gener. New. Yeah. Default flags. Join your pack you play it on YouTube content, probably. Why don't you like me? Oh, yeah, that would do it. Menu supplier. Okay, let's. This takes the ID and the inventory. Inventory, player inventory. Okay. The menu. Dot get. Yeah. I think that is how that works. Uh, Generator. This is a menu provider. Yeah, okay. Um, let's just try it. What could the worst thing that happens is nothing happens. I guess. Nothing ever happens. Smile. Uh, yeah, I guess. Okay, just some okay. Yeah, you in the okay. Well, you're there. Uh, yeah, okay. That hasn't nothing much has changed, I guess. Uh, you go away. Do I need to have a yes, I do. I need to actually make it if dude, my brain is fried fucking totally today. Okay, and then what does uh open container do in a furnace block? Cool. Entity. Okay. Think. Menu. think. Is that... Why are you... What? Why you have to be mad? Because it doesn't do anything. Dot consume? Smile? You might consume? Yep, I think I have to reboot for that. Yep. Dude. Yeah, the Pope died. Oops. Pope died. Just crazy. On fucking Easter. Well, Easter Monday, allegedly. Kind of crazy. Okay, hopefully... Well, it did something. Failed. I haven't... Because I forgot to register the fucking menu. God damn it. Menu. Duh. Okay. Work this time. Failed to create because it doesn't have a screen. I didn't make the screen. Oh, okay. Screen. Furnace screen. Which is just a... Yeah, okay. Screen dot generator screen. Container screen. What is your type here? T extend generator menu. What is this? Just a T. Implement. I guess. What else? Yep. Yeah. Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh wait, you're right there. This doesn't matter, but this does. Location of GUI container generator. And then, does this have anything good to do? That's the recipe book thing. And then we just, yeah, we... You know, I'm gonna borrow these for right now. We don't have... We don't have a recipe book component. Maybe we don't even... What does render background do? Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, you don't exist. You don't exist. I got no fucking clue, dude. Static member. Oh, yeah. And then you're not lit. There's no litness here. Is that right? Is there a screen registry? Yes. Fuck me, there's so many registries. Okay. Hopefully. Yes. Hopefully then this just kind of works-ish. What are you... Wait, what? Huh? What? How do I register a screen? Hang on, what? This one. What? Uh... Screens. Yep. Mm-hmm. That's the worst. How do I... How do I... Registering an abstract container screens. I need an event. Okay. So we need a mod bus. It's this one. Void register screens. Register, get generator screen. Yes. Yes. I don't know, maybe that'll work. No. What? Cannot infer functional interface descriptor for... What? Huh? MU. Cannot infer functional interface descriptor for screen constructor. What? What? Cannot infer M or U. M extends abstract container menu. What? Huh? Container screen. Yeah. Uh, what? I don't get it. Dude, I hate this. Yeah, okay. No docs, great. Cannot infer functional interface descriptor. What do you mean? You take a component, the type, the Minecraft, and the window? Uh, sorry, what do you want? Menu inventory title. Wait. What? I don't, what? I don't fucking get it. Do I need can I get away with just sorry, it goes here. Can you just be good? No. Huh? I don't get it. You want the menu type, which is there, and then you want the constructor, which is that, which is inventory component. Menu, inventory title. New inventory title. Uh, uh, I gotta do a little search for this. Register menu screens event. Just you have to register a menu type. To register a screen, yes, in that event. Yes, this is true. That's what I'm doing. It's right there. Share screen. And this is a abstract container menu. Very confused. Is that the whole? No, yeah, that's a compile error. Why? Oh my fucking god! What do you mean? I don't understand. I do not fucking get it. How do I fix that? I don't. I've never encountered this. Looking for functional interface descriptor. Oh, and there's a forum post from 3 years ago. Maybe they have an answer. All right. Specifying the parameter type. What? So this, and then you do screen constructor. Generator menu. Generator screen. There's no way. No. Generator screen is not within bounds of type variable u. What? Why not? What? Which this is. That's a menu access. What? You don't. Oh! That was it. Okay. Fuck, man. I hate generics. Okay, and it opens. That looks like a screen. It doesn't stay open, but I think I know why that is. Is it the screen or the menu? Override here. can... There's a thing. In menu, there's a hang on. I did the same thing somewhere in here. Is it the container? Yeah, it's this, right? Maybe? Still valid? That might be it. In this one? Oh, yes. It's right there. Okay. Okay. Okay, it doesn't have any slots. It doesn't do anything. Right? Like, I can't... It's just showing this image. It's just the image. Doesn't have any slots or anything yet. Doesn't use my inventory. That is A-okay. At least it fucking opens. It's about as much as I could ask for. Alright, now is it this one? Is it the screen? No. 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 Unless it's in this. No, it must be in the menu. Right? I think it must be in the menu. Where you add the slots. Yes. Yes. That's in this. I think so. So we go to our generator menu. We add these. Slot. Yeah. Okay. Try that. Then can I have slots that I can put stuff in? Please? Nope. Okay. That's fine. Index 2 out of bounds for length 2. Oh, because it has 3 slots. Dipshit. uh, oh, why does it crash when I open my 2-slot furnace that I added 3 slots to? Fucking idiot. Okay. Let's try that again. There we go, and... Alright, but that's fine. I know how to fix that, kind of. That's huge, though. That's... I mean, we're getting there. We are certainly, we are getting there. I want to do a thing. I'm gonna grab the Block glass. Get the whole word, please. Glass only. Oh my god. Regular glass, thank you. To take this image, I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna say, here's your little thingy. Okay, can you be normal for a second, actually? That would be good. This thing, okay. And then on this one, we're gonna have this go down here. Right? And we're gonna fill that with like that color. Or maybe like that color. And then we're gonna do around it, we're gonna do a little, can I have a shape? Right? This is gonna be like the energy hole. Cool. It's the energy. This is where the energy lives. It's like it's a gauge. Energy gauge. Yeah, okay. And then move 10 to there. There. There's your energy gauge. That's pretty neat, right? And it can like fill up. We can do that. Okay. Okay. Just yeah, because it looks cool. Fuck me. Okay. There you go. I have to like I have to build it, right? And I do this. No, I can't because I'm not in the right mode. Oh, I can. There you go. There's your energy. Right there. Fills up. So I just need to make it save now. Which is, I think that's easier done than said. I think. I think. I think. Uh, yeah, okay, whatever. How do I, yeah, how do we do this? Is it, no, there are no methods to implement. There are, where is it? Oh, maybe I just look at the fucking, go look at the furnace again. Furnace menu. No, I don't have that even open. Furnace menu. It's all gonna be in here. Save. What is it that does this? It's not this. This. Yeah. It's whatever. Is fuel get perfect. Uh, book menu. Wait, what? Is this part of? Wait, what? Is it in this? No, I don't think so, right? Yeah, I shouldn't need to. What is it in this? How do I do it in this? Is this, right? Is it set changed? Hang on. Simple container is just a container. Uh, do I need to get like a furnace container? Is that a thing? Simple container. What are your implementers? Oh, oh. Okay, what are your implementers? Furnace block entity. Huh. Just actually want to do this in this thing. Yeah, okay. So it's this. This is where the saving and shit happens, I guess. Need the... Not sure the point of the container data right now. So don't need the fuel map. I need... Yeah, so I need load additional, save additional. So we start with this. So we have items, non-null list dot with size, get container size, dot empty. Container helper, load all items, tag, get items, registries. That's right. I recall this vaguely. Then we just do this? I think that's it. Container helper, save all items, tag, get items. Right? I think that's it. Yeah. I think that's that. Well, what does this do for the set change? Does it do anything? Set changed. That is in... Okay, maybe I don't need to override that at all. Is that all I need? Just those two? That doesn't seem right. That's something that I feel like I'm still missing something. It's not going to save when I put stuff in the screen. Just grab... Oh. Yeah, Okay, I thought so. There's something in the furnace screen. Yeah, it's not saving it. In furnace menu, abstract furnace menu, go over there so I can look at you on the other screen. Or maybe on, is it like on close? Maybe, do I have to do something when it closes? This is just, okay, maybe furnace screen. Uh, I don't think so. It's an abstract container. That doesn't make any sense though. It's abstract. How do I, what? That, wait, then why is it not saving? I don't get it. Get it, yeah, okay, this is all seems fine. Uh, uh, I'm just looking at like the furnace. I don't really know what I'm expecting to see. Uh, huh. That's for like giving experience, setting item, getting items, taking items. Uh, it's fuel, that doesn't matter. That's, you know, for using the fuel. I don't care about that right now. And then yeah, this I'm doing the save already. Right? This dot items is container items tag this get items in the registry. Yeah. And then the same thing for the save, just the other way around, save all items. Do I need to do something to get this to be called? I don't think so. Right? Unless it's has to do with like something that I am not looking at. Get fuel, no. Unless it has something to do with the container data. No, that's the what did we call that on Fabric? That's the property delegate. That's what that is. That's for like the burning time and stuff. Okay, hang on. Furnace menu, but abstract furnace menu, right? But this doesn't. This has nothing to do with it. Shouldn't. Unless. What is this? That's like the recipe slot. I don't think so. Check if it can, yeah, still be opened. It's the quick move. That's smelting burn progress. Yeah, okay. And this is, take a look at that in a second, but I don't think so. Is it in it? No, it doesn't have nothing to do with it, because this is all the client stuff. That doesn't make any sense. Unless it is in furnace block? Maybe? Abstract furnace block? Do I need to... Is it not saving the BE or something? I don't get it. Hang on. I had I had this problem like 2 weeks ago, and I just don't remember why. It's a little. So you put that in there, and then it's gone. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, I don't. Let me just like send this to. The date today is the 21st. Yeah. I had this same problem recently with my backpacks, and I don't remember how I fixed it. After, closing and I will send my shitty code here. Like I'm not ticking. Let me just like here's this. This is the yeah, you don't have a property delegate right now. And this is the menu. And then this is just the block. Right? No. Interesting. Shit. And the screen. Please make your message 77,486 characters shorter. Fuck you. You sack of shit. Wow. Okay, hang on then. Add menu. Block. Fuck you. Oh, unless there's something in, hang on, in this that I need to, yeah, no, this is just, yeah. Ugh. Okay, hang on. What am I missing? Because there's no, I don't get it. It's not something in this. I don't think. Uh, count item. Yeah, like, yeah, I don't think it's in that. I definitely don't think it's in this. Like, no way. Do I not have get menu provider? No, I guess. Oh, maybe I don't. Yes. Hang on, you don't override get menu provider, do you? No, you don't. Yeah, so why I shouldn't have to. Um, yeah. That's just like normal block stuff. This is similarly. Get type, add slot, synchronizer, send all. No, no. I don't get it. Uh, yeah, I don't get it. Why, what am I missing? Like, yeah, that's all, like, definitely not in that. It has to be in the menu, right? Unless it's in, like, unless it's in this? No. Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't think so. Unless I'm fucking blind. Yeah, I don't care about that. I don't care about those or this. This. This is nothing special. But then we're just over here, which I don't get. Yeah, what am I missing? Do I need to do I need to override this? No, that doesn't make any sense. Very helpful, Discord user. Is that a block entity or just a menu? It's a block entity. Then I don't know, it never happened to me. Then don't fucking say anything. You ah. Like, unless this is wrong, yeah. Yeah, create menu, yeah. Like what is create menu? New. Hi Pookie. Pookie? Pookie, do you know? Do you know oh oh never mind. Yeah. Oh. I'm missing that. Oh, I'm just fucking dumb. Many such cases. Hi, Pookie. So we need furnace, generator menu. Yeah. No jam. No, it has the seal noise. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's right. Yeah. Oops. Oops. I'm a fool. Uh, menu, int container ID, inventory, player, inventory. container, furnace, container. Not gonna be a furnace, but let me just do this. We want this all in this one. And we do this container ID, new simple container with the size of 2. I am a fucking furnace container. No, it can't. So I'm does this get used elsewhere? I forgot. Hang on. How's the stream going? You're about to find out. If these logs don't disappear, it's a good stream. If they disappear, it's a bad stream. Fuck! God damn it. Oh. Never mind, I'm stupid. I'm dumb, I'm dumb, I'm dumb. I'm dumb, that's my fault. No. Hold that thought. We run it back. We run it back. Hang on. We run it back, chat. I just forgot. I forgot. Alright, ready? Okay, now if these logs disappear, it's a bad stream. Yeah! There we go, it's a good stream. I'm stupid. I just gotta make sure those are still there. Fuck me. Okay. Oh, shit. God damn it. Oh, that's fine. Is it you that is the quick move? Yeah, quick move stack. I'm just gonna fucking, like, borrow this real quick. Okay, what are you complaining about? Yeah, if, can we do a furnace block entity is fuel? Fuel slot is 0. 0, 1. Hang on. Item stack 1. Get item. Get item. Instance of energy storing item. There you go. Can Linux open ISO files? Windows can open ISO files. What the fuck are you talking about? It's just a zip file, my brother. Yeah, opposite of fucking dumbass. Uh, uh, is- uh, yeah, it's just ISO files are just zip files. Did you not know this? I'm dumping Kingdom Hearts 1 onto my Steam Sex. So true. My Steam Sex. Many such cases. Steam Sex. Not one, two. What? Wait. Oh, Christ. Fuel slot, result slot. So hang on. If it's the result slot, you move it to the start of 3, ending at 39. Yeah. Search chat from Twitter user Alien Femcell. Many such cases. That's if it's the result slot, which I don't think I care about. Because I don't have a result slot. Index is 2. We just want it like that. Right? Because then if it's you're clicking from your inventory, then you move it starting to the charge slot. And if it's fuel, you move it to there. And then if it's greater than 3 and less than 30, that's where you're clicking. So if it's within your inventory, then move it to your hotbar. Right, if you can't find a spot here, and if it's in your hotbar. I think that probably works out. All right. Hope that works. And I still have to do like all of the actual work, like the ticking part. Okay, no, that crashed me. Why'd you did that? Something stupid. I'm index 38. Oh, right. So this is gonna be all lower. 38, 29. 29, 2. It's gonna be 29, 38, 2, 38, 2, 29. So it all gets shifted. I think. All right. Yeah. All right. Well, now I am not doing it. Yeah, that's the. Yeah. Okay. So if it is an energy storing item, you can put it in the top. I don't fucking know. I don't really give a shit right now. I don't fucking care. Whatever, that part works. I gotta do like the hard part now. Time that's 10. I might actually end for today. I hate to do it so early, but I got a little tummy ache. So true. I got a little bit of tummy ache. Oh, I think yeah, I'll fuck it. I'll end today. Is Snipe still on? Are Snipe and Velo still on? No. Alright, fuck you guys. Cringe. That's okay. I don't mind. I will see. Yeah, what are we doing tomorrow? Death Stranding tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. Hold on, I get to press this button again. Yay. Love it. Love that. Alright. Yeah, and that's it for today. Let me commit all of this garbage. What unversioned files? Oh yeah, just fucking commit everything. Stream 421. Commit and push. 94 warnings, that's totally chill. Alright, that is it for me for today. I will see you guys tomorrow for Death Stranding, assuming my tummy agrees.